What credit score do you need to buy a home? Most people think you need perfect credit to get approved, but the minimum scores that the lenders actually accept may surprise you. So let's break down what lenders actually look for. I'm Jon Taw, mortgage broker powered by Edge Home Finance. What that means for you is that unlike a traditional bank loan officer with one option, my team works with over 140 lenders and 400 loan products. We help families across 49 states find the right mortgage for their situation. So let's get back to our friend Alex. Imagine Alex. Alex earns about $75,000 a year and currently is renting an apartment. He's been thinking about buying a home, but there's one big worry. What if my credit score isn't high enough? That is one of the most common fears first-time home buyers have. The actual truth is many buyers assume they're not eligible when they actually are. That's pretty big. First, let's talk about minimum credit scores. Different loan programs allow different credit score ranges. Some government programs allow scores as low as 580. Other conventional loan programs start closer to about 620. But here's the important part. The credit score is only one piece of the approval process. So basically, a credit score is a number that estimates how reliable are you to repay borrowed money. So think of your credit score as kind of like a report card for borrowing, okay? It basically tells the lender how consistently you have handled loans, credit cards, and payments. Credit score basically tells them that you do what you promised. This is what lenders actually review. When lenders review credit, they look at more than just score. They're looking at a payment history. They're looking at credit card balances, how long your account has been open. So, for example, someone with 640 score and a strong payment history may qualify, while someone with 680 score but recent missed payments could have issues. So imagine your financial profile is like a puzzle. Your credit score is just one piece of that picture. Lenders also consider income, debt, and down payment. Here's what surprises most first-time home buyers. Many people who think their credit score is too low to actually qualify actually can buy sooner than expected. Sometimes, a small change like paying down a credit card can raise a score quickly and dramatically. Remember, the goal isn't to have perfect credit. The goal is to have qualifying credit. And that is a very different standard in the eyes of a lender. This is why many buyers benefit from speaking to a mortgage broker like me early. Sometimes it's not about waiting years. It's all about just one or two strategic adjustments. We're only really just one or two decisions away from making a big dramatic difference in our lives. And this is why many buyers who thought they couldn't qualify actually can. So that's amazing. It's really special to see someone's life change like that. Quite a beautiful thing to see. And to see them in a beautiful home, it's extremely rewarding for me. So once credit is understood, the next big question becomes affordability. How much of a home can your income actually support? So in the next video, we'll break down how much of a house you can actually afford on a $70,000 to $100,000 salary. If you've been wondering whether buying a home might actually be possible for you, you can schedule a first-time buyer strategy call with me where we'll go over your numbers and make a strategic plan to get you in there. Or you can download the free first-time home buyer guide in the description below.